Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the unhandled exception has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore this error and attempt to continue. If you click quit, the application will close immediately. And this is a Microsoft.NET framework error. So let's go ahead and jump right into how to hopefully resolve it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. If you see Net Framework 3.5, you want to go ahead and make sure that is filled in and there's a box next to it. Go ahead and select OK. It might say Windows will need files from Windows Update to finish installing some features. Go ahead and select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so it says Windows completed the requested changes. Go ahead and close out here. Now you want to open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in SFC, followed by a space, and then /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer, and hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.